Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a 94 Audi Avant RS2. We had already had it this year in the color white. I even think it's the exact same car. Hot Wheels simply recycled the car again, but I'll show you that again in a moment. Here from 2024 from Factory Fresh Series number 9 of 10. I'll show you that again back here. You can see it again very nicely. Factory Fresh 2024, and here we have it in the color red. It was already available in a wide variety of colors. Now, as I said, in 2024 we would have had it here in red, here back with the Audi logo. This is the RS logo, I think, for Audi. The Sport. Very cool vehicle. Rims are a bit standard. I don't like this Hot Wheels rim so much now. Color is good. It's red. It's always a bit of sporty color, but the only print is a logo in the front here. Audi logo and the RS logo. Looks very cool. But otherwise, I think, there is not much going on with the vehicle here, so really it's a completely generic color. Just red, nothing special, no special prints or anything, except for the radiator grille and here at the back of the tailgate the Audi logo, which is printed on it. Otherwise you can see here, you really have almost nothing here, which is such a pity. So it's rather a boring car in terms of design, but still cool that it exists, of course, especially if you drive Audi or are an Audi fan. It's of course a nice thing that there is such a car. I'll add the technical data again. The data was available at the time with a 2.2-liter 5-cylinder turbo engine with 315 horsepower, all-wheel drive, 6-speed manual transmission, 0 to 100 in approximately 5.6 seconds and a top speed of 262 km/h. The car was developed together with Porsche at the time. Now it comes to the big comparison, where I had already noted that Hot Wheels simply recycled the car. If you look at the vehicles now, they look very, very similar. Even the rims are identical. The only thing that is changed here is really the color. If you look at it in front, it also looks very identical. So this casting model, it has to be said, they just used the same casting model from 2024, again and simply painted a white paint on it. That's very simple. However, what you may notice here is that there is a fuel nozzle or a fuel cap on the white vehicle, which does not exist on the red one. So maybe it's a different mold model, die-cast model, but otherwise the car is really completely identical. I don't know either. I had also somehow seen that I think there are some models with a fuel cap and some without. I don't know exactly what it's all about, but here you can see, this is 70s versus 90s series, and in 2024 it was the Factory Fresh series. The car was simply recycled by Hot Wheels, which is a bit almost cheap, you have to say, but it doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to switch back in. Until next time. Bye.